We are going to talk about gravitational field. Gravitational field is a space or region around a mass where gravitational force of the mass can be exerted on other masses. The force of attraction between two masses in the universe is known as gravitational force. Newton's law of universal gravitation Newton's law of universal gravitation states that the force of attraction between any two masses in the universe is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. What the law is saying is that force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of the masses. Can call this expression 1. This same force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the masses. Call this expression 2. Now, combining expression 1 and 2, we have force is directly proportional to mass 1 and mass 2 all over square of r, expression 3. Removing sign of proportionality and introducing a constant, we have force is equal to constant G, m1, m2, all over r squared. Call that expression 4. Where F is the force of attraction between the two masses, and r squared is the square of the distance between the two masses. G is known as Newton's universal constant. What we have there is, supposing you have mass 1 and mass 2, and there is a distance between these two masses. There is a force of attraction between them. So you can see two masses, m1 and m2. m1 can be mass of the earth, m2 can be mass of any object on earth, and r is the distance between two of them. So that Newton's law of universal gravitation is saying that the force of attraction between these two masses is directly proportional to the proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these two masses. For example, if m1 is equal to 10 kilograms and m2 is also 10 kilograms, and the distance between them is 10 meters, and if we have and G, which is universal constant, Newton's universal constant, is the value is 6.67 times 10 raised to power minus 11 meters squared. Sorry, Newton meter square and per kilogram square. So if you are looking for force of attraction between them, we can invoke that formula to find the force of attraction between them. So we have solution. Solution here, F is equal to G M1 M2 all over R squared. And since G is given to be 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 times M1 is 10 kg, M2 is also 10 all over R squared. R squared is 10 and you have to square that. That means 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 times 10 times 10 all over 10 times 10. This will cancel this will cancel that. Well, what remains is 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. Gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength. You can call it gravitational field strength or gravitational field intensity. And it's small g. This is defined as the mass per unit mass. Sorry, defined as the force per unit mass at a location. Gravitational field strength or intensity is defined as the force per unit mass at a location. For example, that definition can be expressed mathematically this way: G is equal to F over M. For example, if you have a force of 49 newtons acting on a mass of 5 kilograms, then we can find a value of gravitational field intensity G. So then we can say G is equal to F over M, and F given there is 49 Newton, while M is 5 kg. So if you divide this, you have 9.8 Newton per kilogram as the value of gravitational field intensity.